Hey, good morning, everybody. All right, Friday the 25th, and out here on the hot ramp again with the Hun, and I can't imagine anyone else that would want to be here more than me and our crew than this guy. Some of you guys may recognize him from previous videos. I think, what, 22 you were here last?
22, yes sir.
So, Joe Granelli from Granelli Designs doing the Super Saver for DCS. How's it going, man? It's been a minute.
Well, thank you for having us back, first of all. This is an amazing opportunity.
Indeed.
It's beautiful, beautiful weather. We got a beautiful airframe here that's ready to go. I did not think I would see this plane fly, but 2 years later, we're ready to go up. So that's...
yeah, and this was the first... Was this the first one you got to see?
This was the first one I ever interacted with, the first one I sat in, and it definitely holds a special place in our hearts for
Indeed.
Everything that Collings has done for us has just been amazing.
Nice. Oh, you're good. And yeah, so what can we share? Well, I know what the DCS version is doing, but I can't talk about it. But so how's it coming? How are we looking at?
So
what can we share?
We're doing very well right now. Programming is moving very steadily along. And right now we're into the art phases of dialing in the rest of the cockpit. We have textures going on the external, so hopefully maybe by the end of the year we'll have some little bit of eye candy to show off. And beyond that, we're just staying the course, working on special features, and just making sure that we meet and beat everybody's expectation.
Oh yeah, it flies nice.
It does all right, yeah. Brandon's done a great job, and you know, the whole team has just been wonderful. Everybody's working real hard, and we're on target to meet our deadlines.
Nice. 2 weeks, right? 2
weeks. The usual 2 weeks.
2 weeks, right? Awesome. Well, this is going to be a hell of a weekend. Yeah, we got Granelli Designs here for the whole weekend, so she's going to fly, this is going to fly later today, so we'll have video of that too, that I'll be able to put up later. And yeah, it's going to be a fantastic weekend. So
yeah, we're looking forward to it.
Oh yeah, good having you back here again, Joe.
Awesome.
Oh, it's Big Mama. Oh, nice. Aero braking. He's got that front wheel off the ground still.
No sense in using up brakes. There's a picture that came out later.
All right, I stand corrected. NASA did put the WB-57 Canberra on display. Here she is. She's on the ramp as a static alongside one of their T-38s. So yes, they did put on a display. So those interested in it, you guys can get up close and personal with her. It was meant to be.
Now this is gonna be right because this comes down and goes stunk right in this crack right here.
Okay.
So,
As long as that
It's
not a
imported,
safety
this,
issue.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
as long as that's not a safety issue, I'm good with anything.
So in case you're wondering what's going on, we're miking up the F-100 for its flight here in a little while. All right, so right now we're doing a lot of the prep work. So the Blue Angels just finished. We're getting ready to do the Vietnam reenactment demonstration. That involves the F-100, the A-1 Skyraider, this AH-1 Cobra, and those Marines back there. Don't worry, those are unloaded. But those CH-46s are going to do an assault landing and deploy those guys on the infield and do some supportive bomb runs and whatnot with the other aircraft. So I'm really looking forward to this. This is going to be a fun one. safe and sound. That was one hell of a demo. The Viper demo is doing his thing, making a lot of noise and sounds amazing. But yeah, give me a minute. I'll show you where we guys are. Are you done? Alright guys, that was a good day. A lot of good practice runs out there. So, look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow and Sunday for the air show. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. We'll see you this weekend too.